Let's look at 4 things Datably can do that most people don't even realize. So you probably already know you can upload your own file using the Browse button, or just pick a demo dataset to play around with. But here's something cool. You can actually get data from an online source just by describing what you want. For example, I'll type, plot the stock price performance of Apple and Tesla from 2020 to 2025. We didn't upload a file or pick a dataset. We're just giving a prompt. Now behind the scenes, Datably is going to try to get the data for us. This feature is still in preview mode, so it might not always work perfectly, but it's pretty powerful. If no data source is specified, the AI will try to write code to fetch the data from a public source. So let's hit start and see what happens. Right away it loads up the QuantMod package in R and uses it to pull stock data for Apple and Tesla, and we get a quick preview of the dataset. So far, so good. Now let's take it a step further. Can we plot the closing price for both stock tickers? Hit submit again, and we get an error. But here's the interesting part. Datably doesn't just stop there. This is the second under-the-radar feature. It can self-correct. You just hit submit one more time, and it sends the error along with the code back to the AI to fix. And it does. We get a clean plot of the closing prices from 2020 to 2025 for Apple and Tesla, just like we asked. Now here's a third trick. See this little blue assistant in the bottom corner? That's your AI chat companion. It actually remembers what you've done and keeps track of the conversation. You can ask it deeper questions based on your session, like, would it have been better to invest in Apple or Tesla? Or something like, do most people adjust stock prices for inflation? It's like ChatGPT, but tailored to the context of your project. Super useful for follow-up questions and exploring your data more deeply. And finally, the fourth. If you're curious about what the AI is actually seeing, you can check out the full chat history on the right. You'll see your prompts, the assistant's responses, and even how Datably handled the error and fixed it, all laid out in sequence. So those are 4 things most people don't know about Datably.